Hi, as you can see, this is going to be a very long video, Mom. I just wanted to show you it. I have a yogurt. It's blueberry, as you can see, and a spoon to eat it. I'm going to eat the yogurt. First, you take the lid off. And lick it. And then you take it and eat it. Yum.
Okay, let me get your bib so you don't make a mess, okay?
It's like that. That is a different time. My sister has.
Oh, thank you for waiting. There you go. All right. And a tissue.
I'll get a napkin for you. Daddy, can I have a napkin?
Yep.
As you can see, mine looks like this. That is goody. Now you can see my tummy. Ew, that was disgusting. And as you can see, this paper is napkin. Have you ever heard of one? Good. Daddy, I'm taking this from my mom. I'm gonna check and make sure it's good. Chinese. Yummy. Daddy, can I try a banana? Nope, it's videoing. What's the matter? Should I come and get it, or can you bring it to me? Well, I guess it's bring it to me.
Is all your yogurt? Is your yogurt all gone?
Yeah.
What? Did you bite your tongue? You're making a big mess. That's okay. You're fine.
Ow.
What? The banana hurts your tooth. Oh, wow. Okay. I think your tooth might be ready. Oh, let's see. You can see the other tooth. teeth coming in behind it. The baby tooth is in front and the adult tooth is right behind it. Come here. Come here. Elena, it's because it's getting ready to come out. It's okay. Are you done eating?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to clean up your mess?
No.
Please?
Yeah.
Alright. You're going to run this down to the freezer.
Ah.
Did it come out?
No.
Okay.
It was really close.
It's allowed to come out.